The MAXKOSKO 24-foot heat tape stands out with a clear dual light indicator system that lets you instantly see whether the cable is powered and actively warming your pipes. Its self-regulating design automatically adjusts heat output along the cable, so colder spots get more warmth without risking overheating or wasting electricity. With a built-in thermostat and a heating density of about 5 watts per foot, it is engineered to keep water moving even in extremely low winter temperatures that would normally freeze exposed lines. Installation is straightforward. Whether you run it straight, wrap it in a spiral, or overlap sections, and the included end seal and foil tape help create a secure, weather-resistant setup. The cable works on both metal and plastic piping up to roughly 9 inches in diameter, making it a flexible choice for home plumbing, recreational vehicle systems, and exposed outdoor lines. Beyond household pipes, many owners will appreciate that this heat tape can also be used for drains, sewers, and even sensitive plants like palm trees that need extra frost protection.